So guys, I'll be teaching you on how to make an eye-catchy and appealing thumbnail. Due to popular demand, a lot of people have been asking me to make a thumbnail for them. So in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to make an eye-catchy and appealing thumbnail that people can easily click on. You know that your thumbnail is the first thing that people see when YouTube suggests your video to their feed, okay? And if your thumbnail is not eye-catchy and appealing, they are not going to click on it and view your video. So you're going to try as much as you can to make your thumbnail, to learn how to make thumbnail and make it so appealing and simple. Okay, so this tutorial is the best and easy making tutorial that you can use anywhere and make your own thumbnail. Okay, so sit tight and let me show you how to make this thumbnail and how I make my own thumbnail. For that, we are going to get all the necessary tools ready, the tools that we are going to be working on, which is the background image and the photo that you'll be using on your thumbnail. Okay, so we are going to get it ready first before we proceed into making the thumbnail. In case if you see me looking down, I'm going to be using my phone to teach you this tutorial. The picture that you're going to be using, you're going to remove the background in it. Okay, first thing I'll do is that I'll go to this website. So I use this website called Remove BG. When I type Remove BG, the site will pop up. So click on upload image and upload the image you'll be working with. So you have a particular image that you're going to be working with. So go to the web and type Remove BG and this site will pop up. Okay, so click on upload image like I'm doing now and upload the image you'll be working with. So click on the image you'll be working with. Okay. After it has finished loading, click on download and download it straight to your phone. You're going to click here to see if the download has finished. If you're using an iPhone, click here so that you can save it to your phone. So but if you're using an Android, all you have to do is just to download it, and after downloading it, you see it in your gallery straight. Okay, so remember we are going to use our CapCut for this particular tutorial, and also you should get your background image ready. You're going to use a background image. I'll be using white for this particular tutorial. Okay, remember we are using CapCut, so open your CapCut app, then select new project. So after you've selected new project, select a picture instead. So instead of selecting a video like you normally do when you're editing your video, you're going to select a picture instead. So the picture that we use is the background image that you've already downloaded on the web. So it might be white or any color, but make sure that the background image that you downloaded is free of charge and it doesn't have any royalty attached to it, to avoid people saying that you used their background image to make your own thumbnail. So make sure you just type free background image for YouTube thumbnail. So after that, you're going to go ahead and import it. So and after adding it, you're going to select aspect ratio. So the aspect ratio we're going to select is 16:9. So don't go for the other one that is next to it. Okay, so select 16:9, then highlight the image again and zoom it until it is full screen. So now we have our YouTube template. Okay, so let's go ahead and add our image that we already removed the background already. So click on overlay and add the photo that you will use. Okay, so then drag it to the angle you want it, and also you will zoom it whichever way you want it to appear. You will zoom it so you can see the background is no longer there. So there is also a feature on CapCut that removes background, but I actually don't use it because sometimes it doesn't give me the perfect thing that I need. So I rather use that remove.bg that I normally use on the web. I'm going to click on add text. So I will choose this Gotham font because I like how it shows on my thumbnail. So then I will add my text. So you're going to add the text that you want, whatever thing that you want to write on your thumbnail. This is where you're going to add it. Okay, then select the font style that you want. You can choose the one that is most suitable for you, but make sure it is readable and your audience can easily get it when they see the thumbnail. Okay, then choose the color that you want, any color you want, but don't overdo it too much. So me, I always stick to white or black, so it depends on what it is giving at that moment. So make your choice, whichever one you want to use. Okay, if you want to add curve, you can click here and add it, but I don't want curve, so I will remove it. So then increase the size of your font. So increase the size of your font to whatever level and capacity, and opacity you want it. So but if the text is not suitable here, all I need to do is just to duplicate it and place it where I want it and also edit it. After this, you can add the illustration of any image that you want to show what you're referring to. So here I will add the YouTube logo. Okay, I already removed the background, so it will be easy for me to use. So go back again and click on add overlay. So I'll select the saved YouTube logo that I have. I'll place it where I want it to be. Okay, so as you can see, this is it for my thumbnail. So you can add as many images as you want, depending on what you want to show or what you're talking about. So, but if you're into vlogs and you want me to show you how to make thumbnails for vlogs, there is a particular thumbnail that is on trend for vlogs now, and it is very eye-catchy and appealing. Okay, if you want that, you can indicate in the comment section and I will do it for you. Okay, that one is going to be a separate thing altogether. It's going to be another different style. So, but for other type of thumbnail, you can use this particular tutorial. Okay. Once we are done, we will select our resolution and select 4K. So go ahead and save it. So after it has saved, let's go to our gallery and see the finished work. So it will save in a video format. So but all you have to do is just to pause it. When you get to your gallery, just pause it and make a screenshot of it like this now. Then crop off some of those unwanted sides, and our thumbnail is ready. Okay, so you see how easy it is to do your thumbnail using CapCut. That is all for the tutorial. So it is very easy to use CapCut to do your thumbnail, and this is the particular thumbnail that is on trend now, and you can easily get people to click on your video. So make sure you do your own very neatly and very appealing. Make sure you follow all the process in this video and you will get that appealing and eye-catchy thumbnail that you want. Okay, if you actually learned something from this tutorial, please, I would like you to like this video and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. And also I would like to know what you think about this tutorial in the comment section, and see you in my next video. Bye.